spell or prophecy. It was real love on our own. We grew apart, but that is real. I'll always love you. I mean, that's life, Elena.
I'll always love you too.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounding wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. Oh, little ghost, you see the pain.